Welcome to the Hyrel workshop, which is obviously full of stuff. Anyway, we wanted to share with everybody how we convert the Presto cooker into a filament dryer, and this is extremely critical for your very moisture sensitive materials such as PPSU. So what you have here is the kettle cooker from Presto.
Right out of the box.
It's right out of the box.
Okay.
And we have a little fixture that we made. You can get the STL from this from Davo. Just contact him at hyrel3d.com. And this fits in there. And then we take our drill and we will drill 3 holes. Those are M4s. We tap them and then we flip it over. And actually, here's a little bit of your inventory of what I ended up using. So you can see we've got 3 M4 standoffs. They're like 12 millimeters long, a couple of M4 screws, special bearing. Again, I don't even have a spec on the bearing, but if you contact us, we've got some. And then you've got your capstan and a filament tube.
Pneumatic fitting.
Pneumatic fitting, yes. And the lid and the cable. So now that we've printed this, I mean not printed it, but
Drilled
tapped.
it.
Tapped and tapped, yes. I'm going to just take this and...
We've also drilled and tapped for this pneumatic fitting on the side already.
Yep, and it has a Teflon insert so that it doesn't have any friction as it turns the corners.
Beautiful. And that edge is radiused or chamfered on the side?
It is chamfered.
Beautiful. Because we know those words.
We know the word chamfer and radius, that's right. Okay, and this can go either way. So you'll see that the capstan will go into here, and it's going to spin with your...
Nice.
Okay, this was designed to go with metal spool holders. Obviously, we're going to get it very hot. If you put a plastic one here, it will not be a happy day for you or the spool holder. This was designed to go like that.
This is for really high temperature filaments we're talking?
Yes, but most filaments, if you're going to run them, you're going to have to, you're going to have to drive them pretty hard. So
what are we saying? This is for the PPSU, the PEEK, the PEC?
Yeah, anything that you need to dry above 100 degrees C, this is the ideal dryer for
Maybe
it.
Ultem also?
Ultem, PEEK, PPSU, polycarbonate, PSU, anything that's got a glass transition temperature above 120 degrees C is going to be this is the right guy for the job.
Okay.
All right, I hope I got the right screws in here so that it spins free. That's why there's a little collar here to get this above the screws. And that goes there. Now we're going to make sure this spins freely. And you'll see that's your feeder right there.
Beautiful.
And you would just put the lid on. Obviously, you're going to run the filament out here. Your tubing goes into the fitting, and that goes right straight to your print head. You do not want to expose this.
To atmospheric humidity?
Right, yeah. And here we are. We got the cooker. And
Is that a safety connector?
It is a safety. It's got a magnet built into it and everything. So if someone bumps into it, it comes unplugged. It's pretty nice. You can allow to set the temperature on it. So depending on what your material is, I like to cook PEEK around 300 C.
Okay.
I mean 300 F. These are all in F.
All in Fahrenheit, 300
right,
Fahrenheit.
Yeah. There you go. All right, that's what we wanted to show you. I hope you have a good day. And if you guys need to buy this, we charge a fortune for it. But
is that another Hydra going out the door?
it is another Hydra going out the door.
You're delivering that today.
That one's going to Case Western, I believe.
All right.
All right. Thanks a billion.
Catch you guys later.